Hello guys, this is the second part of the video how to set up a VIP system for your Counter-Strike 2 server. In the last video we have learned how to set up the main core plugin that runs modules. And in this video we're going to learn how to set up these modules or VIP abilities. So first we're going to create three groups or three VIP groups. The first one is named Silver. We only have one module or ability. The second VIP group will be named Gold and we'll have two abilities. And the third group will be named Diamond and we'll have three abilities. So today we're going to learn how to add all these abilities in the VIP config file. But first, just to make sure that we have learned exactly how to install the core plugin, we're going to restart our Counter-Strike 2 server and check the starting config and see if VIP core is loaded correctly. Otherwise, nothing will work for you. As you can see here, plugin context loading VIP core, finished loading VIP core, which means that our core VIP is loaded and ready to accept modules. So let's go to business. I'm going to provide the link for you so you can download. So once you get the link, go to code and then download zip. Once you are finished, open this RAR file and go to starting from here, go to VIP core modules, and you can see here all the superpowers that VIP could get. So for the first Silver VIP group, we're going to only put the smoke color. So let's look for smoke. Here it is. Now let's go to our Counter-Strike server files and be in CSGO folder. Let's click on smoke color, then build, and only drop this add-ons folder right over CSGO folder. Once you are done, click on readme and go just right here in vip.json. You copy what's inside here without copying these two symbols. So only copy what's inside. Now let's look for VIP JSON config file in configs, plugins, and VIP core, and we can find it over here, VIP JSON. As you can see here, we have groups names, and values. So if we want to create three VIP groups, we're going to copy this. But first, we need to tell the plugin that we have a second group and a third group. So we need to add this syntax. Now you can copy and paste. Let's do it again. Let's tell the plugin that we have another third group coming, so we need to add this again. And here we go. Now we don't need to add the syntax because this is the last group. So we're telling this plugin that enough, this is the last one. So for the name, as we said, we're going to name it Diamond. And for the second one is Gold. And the first one is Silver. So now let's add module for Silver, the smoke module. We're going to add it for Silver and Gold and Diamond. Why? Because what's in Silver is already present in Gold and Diamond, because Gold and Diamond will be more expensive with more options compared to Silver. So let's go ahead inside this one. As you can see here, don't worry about the order, because we're going to reorganize this config file once we are done with this tutorial. I'm going to show you a great way to do it. Okay, now we are done with the first module. Let's look in the file for other modules that we need. I'm going for the second module is headshot. So let's go inside and go to build, and then we go back to the CSGO server files in CSGO folder. and we drop it again like the last one over here and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we go to readme and we copy only what's inside here. Now let's go back to our group VIPs or VIP JSON file. We are done with the first VIP group. Whoever gets in this VIP silver or whoever buys this VIP silver will only get colored smokes. Now we're going to add the second one for gold. So we need to tell the plugin that we're going to add another one. So we add this symbol over here at the end of the first module and we just paste it over here. Now we don't need to add it because the second VIP group is only going to get 2 modules. Now for the third one, which is diamond, we need to do the same. Tell the plugin that we are going to add another module, and we need to tell it again that we are going to add another module, because in the diamond group we already told you that we're going to make 3 modules. So let's go get the third one. So let's choose from this list. I think we should get fast blend. Let's go inside build again. Let's go to server files in CSGO folder. We drag it down. Once finished, open readme and copy what's inside. Let's go back to VIP JSON config file, and we already told the plugin that we have another module coming. So now we have 3 modules, and I'm not going to add any syntax here because we are done with this group. So now I'm going to organize this config and check if there is an errors that I didn't notice. So I'm going to copy and go to Google Gemini. I'm going to paste this config. And then I'm going to the main link that I have provided you to download the files and go down below in VIP JSON, copy this config. And tell Gemini, please Gemini, check if the config is correct and organize it without changing, and organize it. It's enough. And we paste the original layout. As you can see, Gemini did a good job reorganizing this config without changing the name of the groups, because sometimes they do mistakes, so make sure that they didn't change the group names. Now let's go back to our VIP JSON and paste it over here. As you can see, it's much clearer and much correct. So now we're going to restart our server. Once the server is restarted, go ahead and type CSS plugins list. And as you can see here, VIP core is loaded, headshot is loaded, smoke color loaded, and fast diffuse is loaded. Okay guys, now let's connect to the server. And first I'm going to show you how you can remove a VIP user, because I'm already probably a VIP user. So let's check by typing VIP. You don't have access to this command, which means I didn't add myself yet to be a VIP player. So to get a player to be VIP, go ahead and get his team ID by typing CSS layers list. Get his team ID from this list, and then you can type CSS VIP add user with team ID and which group you want him to be added. I'm going for diamond. And for time in minutes, I'm going for a month, which is 43,200 minutes. Now let's type CSS VIP reload for a refresh. And now let's type VIP to check. And as you can see, it's working. So we have fast blend, we have headshot, and we have smoke color. Let's restart this server to check if it's working. Okay, let's buy smoke. As you can see in the bottom right corner, we have 2 headshots. And now we're going to test the smoke and fast blend. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up custom agents like Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, etc. wherever agent is available on the workshop. You can do it for your VIP players, so stay around.